great to be here again. I think this is my third Geomakani. Stay away from that. Can you turn it down just a little bit? It's also interesting to be up here. It's interesting to hear yourself speaking. It's very interesting to be here. And through the presentations this morning, I realized that the area that I work in, remote sensing and imagery, I always thought of us through the long time that I've been involved in this industry. Almost 45 years now. It goes fast. Actually, this is my last formal speech before I retire. And she got me down here, she demanded that I come back to here. But it was funny thinking about this a little bit in retrospect and looking at many of my friends here. I always thought that with imagery in the area that I work in, we're part of the solution. But I really started to realize when I was listening to all the presentations this morning, we're part of the problem too. That we're starting to create so much data, different than where we were before, so much data, and people are demanding more and more data, and they're demanding higher resolution, they're demanding greater reliability, greater frequency of collection, we're creating more and more data, and the infrastructure to manage it and handle it doesn't exist yet. And that's the responsibility of everybody in this room to help move this whole technology, really move this whole technology forward. We're creating this problem, the smart cities are creating this problem, the 3D city models are creating the problem, the telephone companies are creating the problem, everybody's creating this problem. And the issue is we're creating so much data, and people, after the conversation before, are demanding more and more and more and more because they're starting to understand what to do with it, and they want to understand their systems and their processes, and they need a reliable infrastructure from NSDIs. And they're demanding the computing infrastructure to handle it, and they can't download it into their country, and so now they're demanding better cloud computing systems, so all the processing can be done in the cloud. And we're creating this problem collectively, and I don't think it's going to stop. And which makes it quite interesting for me. And just to step into the situation, this is part from the little piece of the world that I work in. We started launching these little itty-bitty satellites, right? Instead of big billion-dollar satellites, we launched these little ones that look like this, hundreds of them. And with this, we image the whole world every day, almost every day, at 3-meter resolution. And over time, over the next 5 years, 10 years in my line, there will be more and more, and there will be faster and faster. And this will create the problem, continue to create the problem. And I look at the companies that we work with and our peers, and it's no different. There's companies launching satellites that will provide the internet from space, make it really eliminate the boundaries. There are companies that are working on radar at the same level. There are companies that are loading up satellites over and over. And when we launch satellites, we launch 20, 30, 50, 100 of these at one time. And that's creating part of the problem. They're also pretty cool. I'll put that back there. Let me go to my present. I just wanted to wax a little bit philosophical on that. Let me put that there. Let's see. But from my perspective, I work in the remote sensing industry. And all of our presentations this morning were wonderful. They were very, very high level. And because they talked about the structure and the infrastructure and the need for standards. And there was a great set of presentations on applications and showing the effect of climate change, if you will, on raising the seas and the effect that's going to affect our continents, whether it be up in Siberia and Alaska for global warming and Africa. I'm going to take it down a little bit and just talk a little bit about remote sensing business and imaging. But here's the issue. And this is how we look at it from our piece of the industry, that if you don't have enough imagery, if you don't have enough data, you can't make decisions. And we look at it, and we're centered this way, but the smart cities people look at it the same way, the traffic and mobility people look at it the same way. Everybody's looking at it, and we need more and more information to make really timely, accurate decisions. And if you're a government official, if you're a minister, if you're a decision maker, if you're anybody, you want the facts and the data to make the right decision. You want to make an informed decision, and you don't want to be paralyzed because you're scared and you don't know what the right decision is. The data that we provide, the data that others provide, help overcome these problems. But it takes huge computing systems and infrastructure and standards to allow it to be done in my lifetime. What we do, and it's very similar to each of the other verticals in this general geospatial industry, is we have this thing called agility in space, but to get to this satellite, we had 14 different versions of it before we got to this one, before we got one that we liked. But we tested and launched these a different version every 6 months. And now we're still moving equally as fast as our customers have new demands, as the industry has new demands, as new capabilities come online. We can very agilely create new systems. Our next version of this goes from 4 bands of imagery to 5 bands to 8 bands to better resolution, better electronics. Very agile. One thing that's quite interesting is we take advantage of all the rockets that put satellites in space, but all of these data now are online. We store all of the data we have ever collected over the last 10 years from all of our companies online, and it's available to anybody. There is no, these restrictions that come from the past of people having to order or take data, it doesn't exist anymore. It's all online. You get an account, you go take and download or process online any of the data you want. I tell many of the governments that I work with, I say, if you are not watching and monitoring your country, somebody else is. There's no restriction to it. We can watch anything that's going on in Egypt or Central Africa or pick a country, any place in the world. You can watch your data imagery of construction, change, interaction, the effects of anything you consider, anywhere you want. It's possible. And this is just the beginning of this technology. In 10, 20 years, people will be taking all these data and reducing it down to do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Because imagery itself is becomes too much information, and we talked about artificial intelligence, and we talked about processing, and we talked about, and you're just reducing this information down to all this data down to one number or one trend that you can manage. It's like in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. The answer is 42 when we get to the end. And it's all moving to cloud-based platforms. I mean, everybody knows that. That's why the telcos are involved. A lot of times they have huge cloud-based platforms, and you get into Amazon Web Services. And that's where the money actually is in the storage and distribution of data. They make money every time somebody goes in, every time somebody goes out. It's a great business model. This is what we do. Running a satellite business is conceptually actually fairly simple. We have all these satellites, we just launch them in space, and they just go around and around and around in a circle, and the Earth turns underneath them, and they image continuously. We download this data at about 30 different receiving antennas at about 10 different locations, and we put it into a cloud, process it, and it's available within 24 hours. You can use the very high resolution data. We happen to own 2 constellations, 3 really the 2 constellations. And so a lot of our customers will look at the broad sense, see things they're interested in, and then come back with, I want this point, this point, this point, and they want to image it at 80 centimeters on a very, 72 centimeters on a very regular basis. Satellites are built with a single purpose, a single resolution. Ours are 3 meters and 72 centimeters. There's others at 50 centimeters and 25 centimeters, and I guarantee you in a couple of 5 years there'll be one at 10 centimeters, and they cost more, they have different things, they have different capabilities. They all work, and they all do different things, and they're all wonderful. So when we look at what we do, we monitor, we can task some of these satellites. We use this information to create mapping infrastructure to make it easy for people to handle. We have archives of very high resolution going back 10 years from some of our previous constellations. That's getting into the period now where you can look at a very reasonable assessment of what's happened over the last 10 years in the detail that you can physically see every object. Definitely the analytics is where the whole industry is going, us included. It's too much information, and so people want it reduced down to show me where all the boats are, show me where all the new roads are being built, show me every new house that is being built. Our customers could do it, but it takes too much time, and they'd rather that we would do some of this work, and then we deliver to them some of these intermediate products that they can include into their analysis. This is where the industry is really going. This is where people spend their time. And you make it available on some sort of a platform, some sort of an infrastructure. These are the data cubes, these are all the platforms, and they take benefit of the spatial data infrastructure and the open source standards so that everybody can interact with them. Excuse me. So, I got to be this is a little one level down from the philosophical discussions. We have 2 constellations. 15 of these little sky sets. We'll have another 5 of them up pretty soon, or 6 of them. We actually bought these from Google, of all things. They exited the business and we entered it. With 15 satellites, you can do mapping. There's lots that can do that. But the thing that we can do that nobody else can is we can come back to small areas every day, or even twice a day. Optical satellites are limited to crossing one time, usually one time a day, but we have them in 2 orbits. So we can have morning and afternoon crossings. Today is something that nobody else can do. Every day, sometimes twice a day. And we can do that with this guy sets. That's what makes them different. This is an example of a port down in Cape Town. I'll put this in for you, Dean. You can see we came back to this port March 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, and took the image over what's going on. That's important, one, if you want to watch what's going on. But second, in a lot of areas, actually Egypt in the winter, it's cloudy. And this assures that we can come back every day, and if it happens to be clear, we get a nice image. And that's what people need. Oops, let me go back here. The same thing with our doves. That's the one I was showing here. Near daily coverage of the world. You'd like to think it's daily, but keeping hundreds of satellites equally spaced so it's daily and all over the plane actually doesn't work quite as well as you would think theoretically. And so you end up with near daily. But at this resolution, nobody can come close to that. It's 10 times the resolution of Sentinel. You can see individual houses easily, sometimes even cars. But when we talk about monitoring change detection, this is the base. You've got data, and you want to go back in the past and see when a change occurred. You want to monitor every day to see when a change is persistent and stays. This is the input or the content that allows that to happen. You have to go into software to manage it. You can use Hexagon software. You have to have infrastructure management. But we are the content that allows this to happen with optical imagery. And it works. The thing that makes it interesting for many of our customers is there's guaranteed past and future coverage, and you never have to ask for tasking. Works well. A lot of our customers use this resolution to identify change, and then when they want to really see what's going on, they bring in the higher resolution to look at the very fine features in detail. And interestingly, we already start to reduce it for customers by the information by creating a monthly global mosaic base map of the world at 500 resolution, where you look at almost cloud-free mosaic of the entire world every month that's created. And here's an example, I don't remember where this was, I think maybe over Kazakhstan or someplace, but April 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, you're imaging the whole area of part of the area, and some days it's cloudy, some days it's it's not. Some days there's no change, some days there's a lot of change. But if you're in agriculture, if you're in urban planning, if you're in monitoring, this is the base of content you use for your decision making. Oops, back to you. Fascinating. And here's an example of tip and cue over Egypt. So this is a base map that was collected 1 month. All the data there were collected in 1 month. You can, if somebody wants to look at all the data collected in 1 week, we can do that too. But then you go in with a very high resolution and take an image in areas that you want and where you need greater detail. Oops, it's too fast for me. There we go. So we take the data, we process it, we put it into an archive. It's all available within 24 hours. It's all available online. You simply put your computer, plug it into your computer, you can access license, and you start pulling it down and you can process it online. And we take the data, as I indicate over here, we make mosaics out of it. And in our system, we also bring in the free data from Landsat Sentinel because customers want to see that. And part of our goal as a sales model is to make life easier for people. You can download it individually, but most of our customers that are involved do it through our API. Moving forward. This is our new satellites that are coming up. We've already brought on, you get higher resolution, better infrastructure. But our goal really becomes, as part of the contribution to the problem, creating more data, creating more tools, creating more analytics, making it easier for people to work with us. And we're just a piece of the model. We understand that everybody else is doing the same thing, and it comes back to the need for infrastructure. Used for agriculture, used for military, used for watching roads, used for watching this, used for watching pipelines and habitat, or servitude encroachment, big problem in South Africa. Deforestation, watching the world, and you can see individual trees disappearing. This is important anywhere in the world. Looking at oil infrastructure. You were talking about ships. We have a lot of customers that are in the ship monitoring business, and now they want to look, the ship turns off its AIS, what's going on there? And if they can go back and look at 10:30 in the morning and see exactly how many ships are there and exactly what's going on. And so they'll integrate our imagery in with an AIS one to add context. It's a common application. This is kind of a fun one of watching the change in habitat. In this case, it's refugee. So we just are part of the problem, and we're part of the solution for everybody to work through on this. We bring more imagery than anybody has ever brought before. When we're imaging the entire world almost every day, the amount of imagery you collect, I can't tell you what to do with it. All of you, that's your job. I'm just simply content. I can give you ideas, but think about how you use this, how you create this into future business models. Entrepreneurs, think about how you incorporate this into a new startup company. A lot of the companies I work with are 1, 2, 3 person companies that are coming up with new business ideas and new creative ideas that they want to go sell something. Or content. And they bring it in with mobility information, with information that's coming from the 30 sensors of the cell phone. They bring it all together and they create an information product. And maybe the optical imagery is only 2%, but it's a new product that was not possible before. That's why we have entrepreneurs. Thank you.